Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get $10 for free on Cash App. Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. You can manage a cash balance, set up savings, invest in Bitcoin or stocks, and even do your taxes or receive direct deposits. Today, I'll show you a method to get $10 to use on Cash App by leveraging their card and a discount offer. First, if you don't already have a Cash App card, you'll need to order one. The card will be linked to your Cash App balance and they'll send you a physical card in the mail. Once you have the card, you can use it to spend the money in your Cash App account. To find the $10 discount, open the Cash App and go to the card section. Right below the image of your card, you'll see a section for offers. Tap on See All Offers and scroll down to find various discounts and coupons. Look for the $10 off offer and tap on it to activate it. Once selected, the discount will appear below your card. Make sure your card is unlocked to use the discount. I'll demonstrate how this works with a purchase on Amazon. Here in my Amazon cart, I've added an item that I already plan to buy. It costs $37.20. Before placing the order, ensure your Cash App card is added as the payment method on Amazon. If you don't have it saved, you can add it manually by entering your card details. I already have my Cash App card saved, so I'll continue to checkout. With the $10 discount applied, the total for my purchase will be reduced automatically. In this case, my total order amount is $37.20, but the Cash App discount will bring it down to $27.20. I'll select my delivery option, confirm the details, and place the order. Once the order is placed, you'll get a confirmation on Amazon and shortly after, a notification in your Cash App. To verify the discount was applied, go back to the Cash App and check your transaction history. Tap on the transaction and you'll see that $10 was deducted as a discount. After the purchase is complete, I recommend locking your Cash App card again for security. This ensures no one can access your funds if you lose the card. That's how you can get $10 for free on Cash App and use it toward a purchase. That's it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.